Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. In this case, it's number 30450, and this is the Royal Talon fighter from Black Panther. Now, if you enjoy this kind of LEGO Polybag build-along, please think about subscribing and clicking on that little bell thing for notifications, because I plan on doing these one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, please think about subscribing. Also, I have included links in the description for this particular set on Amazon and also on Bricklink. And just for reference purposes, I've included a link to Brick Set, so you can find out about this particular set if you are interested. Alright, so let's put this thing together. Alright, now I am a big fan of the micro sets, like the micro ships and the micro architecture and that kind of thing. So I'm hoping this one's going to be pretty cool. Let's see. Got that one right here, like so. And then we're going to attach this, looks like right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, that attaches right there. Alright, I know I've said this before, but I always find it kind of weird when you have like you get an actual brick in like a micro build. But we got a brick. Alright. Then, alright, why a green one? Since it's totally covered up by everything? I don't know. That's kind of strange. Maybe they just picked an arbitrary, like, color, like, you know, green. Alright. So, next what we got to do is we got to line this thing with these. Alright. Pretty simple and straightforward, I think. Just put them all down the line. Like so. That's side one, and then we'll take care of the other side, like so, and number 9, and then number 10. Alright, that takes care of these, and then we're supposed to do 2 of these and put a pair of 1x3s on top of them, like so, and like so. I wonder why they picked 1x3s here. They could have just done, maybe to make them unsnap easier, I guess. Anyway, alright. Alright, so we got that and that. Now, next, we gotta take care of the thruster. So the thruster is gonna be this, and we have a number of. These look kind of purple. That maybe translucent purple. So these are going to be the thrusters for that. Like, for sure. Almost certainly. Alright. And we need one more. Here's our one more. Alright. So, yeah, we probably don't want to put that one upside down. Alright, so we got that. like so, and this attaches to there, like that. Alright. I feel like there's going to be a step where I put a bunch of these little guns on. This looks like a, almost like a phaser. See? Oops. See that? Kind of looks like a little minifig phaser. There's a bunch of them. I definitely think I'm attaching them along the sides. Alright. So we got that. Now, the next step. Oh, let me get that on camera so y'all can see it. So this goes here. And then this goes here. Like so. And then I got one little vent and another little vent right there, like that. And then this goes here, and this goes here. And then we got the wings, like so, and like so. And I was looking for like two pieces, but it's all one piece. And this goes right here, like this, like that. That's kind of a cool piece. I like that piece. Alright, so that goes there, like that. And then we have the top part where that's going to overlap there. And then we have they go like this, it looks like that, and like this, like so. So that puts us right there. And then flip on 10 guns. Alright. So because we are the way we are, we need to make sure all our guns are facing the same way. So it's supposed to be all swooshed back at the end, like so. Alright. So we got the guns all swooshed back. That one goes there. Maybe not quite swooshed back as much as I swooshed back that first one. So that goes there. So that looking like that on the bottom. So we just do the other side. And once again, make sure our guns are facing the right way, because we'd hate to have to go back and have to redo all the guns. And I'm a little surprised they didn't give us an extra gun. I feel like the gun is one of those things that you'd lose. I still have never determined how LEGO determines what they give you extra pieces of. I mean, I understand where they give you extra pieces of the things that they think might wear out, but oops, but some I don't really get how they pick them. Alright, so that's that on that side, and that's that on that side. Alright, so we got that. We put all our guns in. Up here, while we're still flipped over, we have, well, that kind of weirds me out a little bit. We have this one in, like that, and then this goes right here, and this one goes right there. And this one goes here. Alright, there's that. And then we'll flip it back over. We add the canopy. How do we add the canopy? Is it a trick? Did I miss something somewhere? Got that there. Did that. And that was raised up. And that. And that. Connects there. Alright, well, I'll just try the rest of this. This goes here. And this goes here. This goes here. And this goes here. Like that. And this one goes here like this. And this. Okay. It slides right in there. Alright, that's awesome. I thought I screwed up somewhere. That is kind of a cool looking little ship. Plus, if you need a bunch of guns, it's an easy way to get them. Anyway, neat. Let me know what you think. Also, if there are any polybags you think I should check out, or by the way, we only had one extra piece. If there are any polybags you think I should check out, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.